Pralay Missile. Okay, Pralay Missile. India has recently launched Pralay Missile. It is an indigenous surface-to-surface missiles. Surface-to-surface missiles means we have different kinds of missiles, which are usually studied in detail in the defense technology of science and technology. Okay. First one is, this is the Earth's surface. So, surface to surface. Okay. Then surface to air is other one, or air to surface. Okay. Then air to air. Okay. Like that, we have different kinds of missiles. So, the Pralay missile is surface to surface missiles. Okay. As a part of its border effect to establish Indian rocket force, the Indian government has approved the acquisition of around 120 Pralay ballistic missiles. Okay. So here comes the term ballistic. So we have similar to that of surface to surface, surface to air, etc. classification. There is another classification of missiles regarding, that is ballistic and cruise. Okay. So ballistic missile means, as I drew in the earlier picture, we said that Pralay missile is a surface to surface missile, right? So either it can go this way or it can go according to the curvature. Our earth is not flat, right? We have mountains, etc. So according to the curvature of the earth, these are the two ways through which the missile can go. Okay. When a missile goes according to the curvature of the earth, it is cruise missile. When a missile goes in the projectile motion, it is ballistic missile. Okay. So we have two kinds of missiles, ballistic and cruise missiles. Ballistic missile means initially it just needs a thrust, just needs a force, and it will go according to the projectile. I hope you know this. This one is the projectile motion. Okay. So according to the projectile motion, moving is ballistic missile. If a missile moves according to the curvatures of the earth, respecting the curvatures of the earth, then it is the cruise missile. So in a case of Pralay, it is a ballistic missile. Clear? Okay. Pralay missile systems addresses India's tactical ballistic missile gap. We have a lesser number, or we have a much lesser number of ballistic missiles. So Pralay missiles could increase our ballistic missile armory. Okay. Both China and Pakistan have already possessed similar weapons in their arsenals. Next one is, Pralay is a short-range missile. Short-range missile of 350 to 500 kilometers. And its payload capacity is 500 to 1000 kilograms. Payload means its carrying capacity. Okay, similar to a car. We are carried by the car. Okay, its capacity. That's a payload. Payload capacity is 500 to 1000. Here payload usually refers to in missiles we have attacking substances, like attacking materials. So write that its payload capacity is 500 to 1000 kilograms. It uses solid fuel. Battlefield missiles is based on Prithvi defense vehicle. Prithvi is another missile which was earlier deployed by the country. Okay, its battlefield missile is based on Prithvi defense vehicle. Pralay has been developed for deployment along the line of actual control and line of control. That is in the India, in the Kashmir border, and also in the China border. Clear? It can be compared with China's Dongfeng 12 and Russia's Iskander, which was used in the ongoing war with Ukraine. Okay. Since, as we said before, many countries have, like China, etc., have similar kind of missile technology before itself. So that is the reason why it can be compared to China's Dongfeng 12 and Russia's Iskander. Okay. Okay. So we were talking about Pralay. Pralay is a missile which was recently launched. It's a surface to surface missile. Okay, surface to surface missile means it travels from one part of the earth to the other part. It is a ballistic missile. We have two kinds of missiles, ballistic and cruise missiles. Ballistic missiles is the one which goes in the projectile motion, that is in the air. Cruise missiles is one which goes respective to the curvature of the earth. That means it will be more closer to the earth. Okay, so if we consider Pralay missile, it's a surface to surface missile, it's a ballistic missile, and it's of short range. Okay, then we have talked about its payload. Payload is nearly 500 to 1000 kilogram. Okay, then we talked about the other countries are also having the ballistic missiles. The Pralay missile is deployed for line of actual control and line of control. Clear? Okay.